Well, here we are at Reg's place. We found Reg's place on Hipcamp, and it's 165 acres down here at, look at the kangaroo. Look at the kangaroo that's coming over to us.
Hey buddy. Hello.
Here we are at Reg's place. We have found Reg's place on Hipcamp, and it's 165 acres of coastal heathland and a little bit of wetlands, which we're finding out with has got a fair few mosquitoes here. This was purchased by Reg, who wanted to turn it into a fish farm and an alternative holiday destination rather than the caravan park down the road at Red Rock. It's only about 400 metres from Red Rock and 200 metres from the beach, which you just walk across the road and you're there, and it's a beautiful beach. Reg's place is for self-contained people. There's no amenities here. There is a long drop toilet here, but the owners have asked that you only use that in an emergency. So you do need to bring your shower, your toilet, everything to be self-sufficient. And we've just had some black cockatoos fly past. This place is a haven for black cockatoos. There's black cockatoos everywhere. If you love that bird, please come here, because they're here in the morning and they're here in the afternoon, and you're going to be in for a treat. So as you can see, the sites are pretty flat. Well, actually they're very flat, so you have no issue here. Our campground was a little bit hard, but I think that's because of leftovers from the fish farm, but otherwise it's sand. You can still hear those black cockies, which is just amazing. There's a 5G tower on the property, so you're always going to have phone and internet if you want it. The sunsets here are absolutely amazing. We have had a bit of smoke around, which has added some colour to the sky. And the gardens are beautiful. There's actually little ponds, which hopefully we'll get some shots to show you. There's water lilies there. It's just such a really beautiful, relaxing place. So dogs are allowed, but keep them close because 1080 is in the area. So what can you do on Reg's place? Well, you can bird watch and animal watch. There's actually osprey on the top of the 5G tower, so it's nice to see them come in. Obviously Red Rock is just down the road, so you can go and do that river float that everyone talks about. There's beaches. Coffs Harbour is, I'm going to say 40 minutes, but it's probably only 30 to 35 minutes away. There's a Woolworths only about 10 to 15 minutes away at Woolgoola, which is another nice little town as well, which you can get some gelato at. Oh, it's just really nice just to explore all these little coastal towns around here, and there really is some beautiful headlands in this area.
So, do we recommend Reg's place? I'll go through the pros and cons, and I'll start with the cons. There is mosquitoes, and plenty of them. But if you come prepared with good repellent, you're going to be just fine. And of course, I'm not sure if we count this as a pro or as a con, but you must be self-sufficient for all amenities and water. The pros, most definitely it's the bird life, so bring your cameras. Another pro is the proximity to the beaches. It's literally just across the road, and the small town atmosphere of Red Rock is something that has long gone from the bigger coastal towns. The owner of Reg's place, which is actually Reg's son Guy, is super friendly and there's plenty of space. You're actually not squashed in like it is up the caravan park at Red Rock. So do we recommend it for all self-sufficient campers? That's a big fat yes. So definitely put it on your list for a weekend away. I hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and take the long way home.